Today, October 1, 2025, welcome to Stock Overview. Let's take a look at today's main headlines. RBI keeps repo rate unchanged at 5.50%. On October 1, 2025, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, in its Monetary Policy Committee, MPC meeting, kept the repo rate steady at 5.50%. This decision was widely considered in line with expectations. The move signals stability in borrowing costs, ensuring no immediate change in EMIs for home and business loans. Investors welcome the decision as a positive step to balance growth and inflation without creating pressure on the economy. RBI raises GDP growth forecast and lowers inflation projection. In its MPC decision, RBI increased the GDP growth forecast for financial year 26 to 6.8% from the earlier 6.5%. At the same time, it reduced the inflation CPI projection from 3.1% to 2.6%. This optimistic economic outlook served as an encouraging signal for the markets. The lower inflation projection suggests that the cost of living may stabilize, giving relief to consumers. The higher GDP forecast indicates stronger economic growth, boosting investor confidence and market sentiment. Tata Motors' demerger takes effect today. Yes, starting October 1, Tata Motors' commercial vehicle business has been officially demerged into a separate entity. The market reacted positively to this news, leading to a sharp rally in Tata Motors stock. The demerger allows investors to value the passenger and commercial vehicle businesses separately, potentially unlocking more shareholder value. Analysts believe the strategic move will help Tata Motors focus better on each segment and improve operational efficiency.
These were today's key updates. Stay tuned with us for accurate and fresh stock market insights.